So this is me talking at a normal volume to give you an idea of how loud the exhaust is. And at cruising speeds, you can barely hear it, which is pretty nice. When you get on it, like I'm about to do, it sounds pretty good. So you can still hear the tone of the VQ, which is nice. So it's not too quiet, but it's also not obnoxiously loud where your neighbors are gonna hate you and the police are gonna pull you over. So I think because the fact I kept the stock cat and resonator and just did the axle back, it made it sound a lot more tame and not as obnoxious. I don't want to be a target for police to pull over. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I think this is how the car should have sounded when it came from the factory. I understand a lot of people don't like loud exhaust, and Infiniti was trying to really market this as a luxury sports sedan, but most people that bought this car knew that this thing was meant to do one thing, and that was go fast.